In late 2019, a strange cluster of pneumonia cases appeared in the city of Wuhan, China. Doctors reported patients with high fevers, severe coughing, and rapidly spreading lung infections. At first, no one knew what they were dealing with, but soon researchers realized that a new coronavirus had emerged, one that the world had never seen before. The question of where this virus came from has never been fully resolved. Many early cases were linked to a seafood and wildlife market in Wuhan, suggesting that the virus may have jumped from an animal to a human. Other investigators have proposed different possibilities, including the chance of an accidental laboratory leak. After years of research, no single explanation has been confirmed, and the exact origin is still considered an open question. As the virus spread through the city, something unexpected happened. People with almost no symptoms were unknowingly infecting others. SARS-CoV-2 was able to move silently, jumping from person to person, long before anyone realized how far it had traveled. During the first weeks of 2020, millions of people around the world were flying, commuting, and gathering normally. With each trip and each contact, the virus expanded its reach. By March 2020, COVID-19 had spread to nearly every continent. Hospitals filled at a pace not seen in modern history. Doctors faced shortages of equipment. Entire cities locked down. Borders closed. Schools, airports, and businesses shut their doors. The world entered a level of disruption that few people had ever imagined. But the impact was not only medical. The global economy began to break under the pressure. Supply chains collapsed. Tourism and travel industries came to a standstill. Millions lost their jobs as entire sectors shut down. In 2020, many countries recorded their worst economic downturn in decades. Even after reopening, recovery was uneven and slow. Small businesses disappeared, governments took on massive debt, and global markets struggled to stabilize. The pandemic changed how societies functioned. It reshaped work, education, travel, and healthcare. It exposed weaknesses in global preparedness and highlighted how quickly a new pathogen can disrupt the entire world. Today, the search for the virus's exact origin continues. Scientists agree that understanding where it came from is essential to preventing the next global outbreak. What began as a cluster of mysterious pneumonia cases became one of the most defining events of the century, leaving lasting effects on lives, economies, and the way humanity understands its own vulnerability.